This is the new pink salt recipe that took me from 179 to 126 in just 2 weeks. It's natural, easy, has no side effects, and takes less than a minute to prepare. The best part, just 4 ingredients that I bet are already in. Pink salt trick recipe. Your kitchen ladies, that's right, the new viral recipe for pink salt that melts fat was featured on the Today Show. Lady, if you're watching this short video, today is your lucky day. I'm going to put Casey's best video teaching you this recipe and answering all your questions. Pink salt trick for women. In detail here on the watch button. The best part is that in the very first 60 seconds of the video you'll learn the right way to make this recipe completely free of charge. You know that I value well-being, and I know how frustrating it is to spend thousands of dollars on expensive procedures and still see the scales rise. That's why there's nothing better than letting Casey, who has transformed the lives of thousands of pink salt trick weight loss women, teach you this recipe too. So to copy this recipe at home, click somewhere in this video where it says learn more. So if you want to know what everyone is commenting on this 21 million view video, click on the learn more button before it's too late. I'm out. Bye bye.